Hi everybody, this is Dr. E with me. I am back again after we have some time off because I was very busy working with my patients, especially COVID patients. We have a lot of story to share. We have a lot of good story. We have some bad stories, but in general, most of the stories are really good. So today I'm Dr. El Kuleli. I'm in the Dr. E with me. If you like my show, try to like and share. And please do that because this way you make it go to more number of people. It's a kind of educational presentation for the condition we are facing now and for the condition that is very interesting for the public and for the reason of the pandemic that we have nowadays. Today we're gonna talk about not only the COVID vaccine like we did before and why people need to take it. I'm just trying to refresh your memory, and I say that it's a very helpful thing. It will help to save a lot of lives, and I believe it's the best available tool to fight this COVID that's killing tons of people everywhere, all over the world, from every nationality, from every part of the world, and with majority of the adults above 50 years old, people with medical condition, and also with people 75 plus. Today I have a very interesting case. It's one of those cases, I believe it might be one of the, maybe the first, or might be one of the first ones that came to my attention. One of my patients has COVID after she got the first dose of her COVID vaccine. I'm not going to mention which COVID vaccine she took because it's not that important, but I just want to explain to you that this is a 72 years old female. She is one of the seniors. She has a fairly good life condition. She has multiple medical conditions, including diabetes, and she got for the COVID vaccine given to her in, I believe, January 7. The patient got some symptoms of like upper respiratory infection and some non-specific symptoms, and she went for the COVID test on January 11. She got the results positive after that, I think in 2 days or so. And then she's one of our office patients, so we did not really see her personally because she was symptomatic, because we see them on the telehealth. So I did telehealth with her, and I treat her symptoms, and she fairly did well. Today, January 26, I was doing a follow-up with her, and she told me after I spoke with her, she's doing well, she's getting better, her condition is better, and I believe she passed most of her quarantine time from the 11 to 26, so she fairly can be back, off the quarantine, and she will get a second COVID test. But the patient surprised me with a question, say, "Doctor, should I get my second COVID vaccine?" Which she never told me before. So I say, "Uh-oh, you got the first dose?" She say, "Yes." I say, "Oh, okay." And then this was when? Before you got the symptoms? She say, "Yes, before I got my symptoms." Okay. So I just, it really, surprised me. And I was really, surprised because I don't have answer for this. And the reason for this video is to share this information with the other people in the medical field and the field of public health and all of the people in the field, because the lady needs to get an answer before February 4th. Should she get the second dose or she should not get it? And I believe if we will work on this, we will help some other people that might get the same condition again. At this moment, I don't have, like a definite answer. I have my own, methodology of thinking, but I cannot share it here. But I'm just sharing this with you guys to see if an expert will give us a better opinion and can help this lady to find a solution and find an answer that satisfy her and satisfy her condition. Should she take the second one, or she already got the infection, so she's building an antibody and she's still in the recovery time? And people, like, I don't want people to think that I'm putting this to tell people don't take the vaccine, because it has two separate things. Number one, this lady got a very mild case of COVID, and she's an elder woman with diabetes. So maybe if she didn't take the vaccine, she will get a more stronger case of COVID. And most likely she got exposed to a higher dose of COVID, and she got a mild thing. In the same time, I don't want people who are really thinking, oh, the vaccine doesn't help. It's not really the case, because I believe it did help this lady, and we want to get her extra help, because if the second dose will give her extra help, I will really be very happy to hear that. But I need the experts to give us the opinion. It's a very interesting case, and I don't want somebody to use it in the negative way. I don't want some other people to say I'm saying the vaccine is not helpful. I don't want somebody to say that, oh, see, the vaccine doesn't really protect people, because I believe it does protect people a lot, but nothing 100%. And also we will see some cases because the vaccine was just given to her a couple days before her diagnosis, and maybe she had the vaccine in her body before she took. Maybe she has the virus in her body before she took the vaccine, because the period between this and this was just few days. So I just want people to understand that we are not putting a negative propaganda against. We're just trying to help the science to make this vaccine a better solution for other people, and try to fill those gaps that we're gonna see it every now and then. Because we start to see people, who's not really pro-vaccine. Oh, this vaccine, somebody took it and died a couple days later. He will die even without taking the vaccine. Oh, somebody took it and a week later he got facial drop. He will get this even without the vaccine. Or, like the risk and benefit, it's still in behalf of taking the vaccine. I don't work for one of those companies. I don't really have any financial, or I don't have even any stocks on those companies or any financial benefit from them, but I believe this is the best available solution for this pandemic. And I believe this will help a lot to get us out from this lockdown that we have and prevent further psychological damage, financial damage, and other damages that happen to people more and more, especially people now having difficulty in all lines of life. And we thank every government we have that try to help our people to get help. And I believe it's a very unique experience we are facing that will never happened before in the history. And I believe we'll pass it, and we will become more stronger in the future. And I believe we will have a better condition after this. Thank you, everybody. Thank you from Dr. E with me. And if you like my video, try to like it and share it. And I will appreciate any professional that has a solution for this lady. If you really can contact me on this, I'm gonna really share it also on the Facebook and the other media, so I can get more feedback from professionals and people in the field to give answer to this lady, which is one of my favorite patients, and I wish her the best. God bless you all. God bless America. And thank you very much from Dr. E with me. Thank you. Bye.